Welcome to the My Parish Council Clerk Training. The first thing we need to do is to log into the system. To do that, browse to the domain name, your website, add the word admin to the end of the domain name. You a username and password box should appear, so simply add the username and password. Click login, and that's it, we're in. You can log back off again, simply using the log off button, which will take you back to the main domain name. Just to repeat that, we add the word admin to the end of the domain name, we add our username and password, we press login, and we are presented with what's called the dashboard. The left hand side of the dashboard has a menu. These are the various functions that have been created so that you don't have to have specific HTML skills to add things like meetings or counsellors, new articles, events and so on to the system. There are many functions here, and all of those are documented within the website itself, My Parish Council Training website that is, so that you can start to read up on how to use the various functions. However, for now, let's just look at the navigation. We can see chevrons that allow us to open and collapse functions for meetings here. We see sub-menus to there, and if we open up minutes, we see more sub-menus. All of these are explained later on. We can also collapse the overall navigation using the double chevrons, and then when I use the meetings, a different type of navigation appears that allows me to collapse and uncollapse the various sub-menus associated with that particular navigation point. The idea of the collapsing left-hand menu is in case you've got a smaller screen, to allow as much central real estate as possible to make your edits. So that's all for the introduction. We've learned how to log into the system by adding the word admin at the end, add our username and password, and of course to log off. So here we go. Thanks for listening.